Hello creators, and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. In today's video, I'm going to show you another tablescape for my Spring Refresh 2021. And also, I'm going to just give you a couple of reminders for some collaborations that I will be co-hosting. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I am so glad to have you here. I hope that you will stick around and wait a little while and click that subscribe button, and also give me a thumbs up if you like my video. And to my current subscribers, I am so glad to have you back. I am so glad to be back. I took a couple of days off just for a break, but I am back and I am refreshed. Let's get right into these upcoming collaborations. The first one is the Spring Afternoon Tea Party hosted by N at Renters Love Luxury by N. The upload date is March 6, 2021 at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Her co-hosts are Grandma Sandy, Glamour Ellen, Decorating Aunt's Place, Miscellaneous B, Love My Babies Forever, and myself, Creating with Miss Kaye. All we are asking is that you subscribe to all of the co-hosts as well as the host channel. Mention our names and channels in your description box as well as your video. And have a very good time setting up a table for a spring afternoon tea party. I look forward to seeing you there. The next open collaboration, which will be hosted by the Daughters of Destiny, will be March 13th. The upload time will be 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All we're asking is that you style a tablescape, coffee table, coffee, tea, bar, or any room in your home that you want for this Egg-Cellent Easter Collab 2021. The rules are: you must use YouTube etiquette. Include all hosts and co-host names in your description bar. Mention them in your video. And please use an egg in your styling. Once again, the upload date is Saturday, March 13th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Title your video Egg-Cellent Easter Collab and use the hashtag Egg-Cellent Easter Collab 2021. And let's have an excellent time. Let's have fun. Spring is in the air, and I look forward to seeing all of you there. Thank you. Now let's get right into my Spring Refresh 2020 series. I'm doing a citrus tablescape. I'm showing a picture of my carrot tablescape next to this new citrusy tablescape. I'm using lemons, limes, and oranges. It looks so refreshing. I wanted to do something that was kind of simple, but yet spring ready. I'm back with my lime green placemats, my white chargers, my white dinner plates, and my orange salad plates. And I'm using my lime green napkins once again, but I have artificial sliced fruit on top. Before going any further in this video, I have to give a special shout out to my YouTube sister, Debby Bubbles, for helping me out with decorating my table. I got stuck with where to place my fruit on my plates, but after talking to her and sending her pictures, she guided me, and I love how my table looks now. So make sure you go over to her channel. It's Debby Bubbles. Y'all, she's doing some tablescapes over there that you would not believe. So make sure you go over there, like her videos, subscribe to her channel, because sis is doing it up over there. Okay, guys, now back to my tablescape. I'm using my green grass runner that I told you that you'll be seeing so much of in my videos. I bought it, I love it, and yes, I'm gonna wear it out like a good pair of shoes. And yes, I added some faux fruit, but you know what? It's some fresh fruit that's on there too. I kind of ran out of faux fruit, and I had a few tangerines and some lemons, so I added them in there. And in my vases that came from the Dollar Tree, I added a couple of pieces of the slice faux fruit, and these are Dollar Tree glasses. Dollar Tree plates. Y'all, this is a Dollar Tree table. Basically, besides the tablecloth and the runner and my napkins. So this was a very inexpensive, fun tablescape. It's bright, it's fun, and it is spring ready. I plan to bring you more spring and Easter videos in the next couple of days and weeks to come. But for now, just keep watching. I hope that you're enjoying. And if you haven't yet clicked the subscribe button, this is a great time to click that subscribe button and also to give me a thumbs up. You've watched long enough into the video that now it's time to give a thumbs up. I hope that you are loving what you see. I hope it inspires you. I hope it's giving you all of the spring airy vibes that are soon to come. The winter is almost over. In my last video, I kind of bragged about how warm it was. Well, today the temperature has dropped and we're down in the 50s. So yeah, it's back cold again, but hey, I know it'll warm back up. Continue watching. I would like to thank you so much for all of your support. Be blessed.